like dead in here. How y'all doing? Hey, so it's my birthday, man. But this birthday is real special because, thank you. This birthday is special because last year I was in rehab. So I'm free this birthday, so I'm really celebrating. So if y'all celebrate with me, man, yeah. So this song, yeah, can you turn it up? I need that real quick. Since then I've been oppressed, trying to ruin life. Whenever I fall, can't find a reason why. Knowing I've been living from sometimes it's hard to move on, but you told me to let it go. I can't let it drop your love, bring it down the walls of Jericho. I know there's so much more that you let it go. Whenever I'm feeling down, like a call for your time again. You and me, save me from my enemies. Save me anything you did for me. Save me everything I used to be. Smiling on the surface whenever there's a cloud. Cause I've been in darkness, just trying to see the light. But I can't give up now, still in my heart going insane. And sometimes I feel not okay, but I'll never be better day. I'm ready, believe in what you say. I am not afraid, my shaker when I win. I'm breaking down the enemy, asking you to rescue me from heavy insecurity. Save me from my enemies, save me anything it may be. Let's go. Shout out P Brown, man. Thank you for that.